Hello all, my name is Krish Nayak and welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, it's been more than 6+ years I've been teaching data science and data analytics. I've taught a lot of people from domains or different background, and I've seen people making successful career transition into the data analytics industry, even from tech and non-tech background also. And if you probably follow me in LinkedIn, every week at least 2 to 3 transition stories I upload. And yes, I do get a lot of messages with respect to the transition. But here what I really want to convey is that why all these people were able to make the career transition. See, there are also many students who have still not been able to make that career transition what they specifically require. And if I talk about those people also who have made successful career transition, it is mostly 80% of those things is mostly because of the efforts that they have actually put. Yes, 20% of what is guidance that is specifically required with respect to teaching what is required in the data science industry, I was able to help them out, right? But the remaining 80% was all because of those people who have made successful career transition, because they were dedicated, they practiced it daily, they made sure that they made additional projects, they kept on revising things, they kept on looking new tools. They made sure that they were updated with respect to the industry that is basically happening right now. Generative AI is becoming very, very popular, and I've seen many people who have already made transition and they're working in the generative AI field. So what in short I really want to say is that unless and until you don't put that specific effort, and when I talk about that particular effort, it should be a consistent effort. It is not like one or a couple of days, and this I can see, there are also many people, who had started, let's say they have started 3 years back, they were my students, they started 3 years back preparing for their data analytics industry. Then in between, because of some or the other reason, they left it. And again, now in this year, last year, many people again started pinging me saying that, Krish, hey, I really want to start again, right? So what would be the best possible way for me to start, right? So what is actually happening? And I've also seen some people, in the first week of, let's say that I want to make a transition to the data analytics industry. Hey, first week I'm devoting 5 to 6, 7 hours, daily I'm learning things. But coming from the next week itself, the number of hours also gets reduced with respect to the preparation. Now, what is the main thing over here, guys? Why this consistency is dropping, If you are looking, and I'm not just talking with respect to data analytics industry, I'm talking irrespective of any technology that you're specifically preparing for, unless and until you don't be consistent, trust me, it'll be very difficult to crack something, Yes, if you are that lucky guy, without working hard, you will be able to crack. Yes, I've also seen those kind of people. But trust me, in my case, unless and until I don't work hard, I don't work hard, I'm not going to get that fruit. I don't even get any success over there, right now, today also, I keep on investing my time to see what new things are there in the market, what new things we can basically implement in the data science. And based on that, I regularly upload my videos. Today itself, I uploaded a video of LangServe in LangChain, how you can create efficiently an APIs for an LLM app. So this is what I am specifically doing, right? Why? Because I really want to stay updated in the market, and what kind of work that I do, making sure that you get updated with respect to all the data science thing. And yes, later in the future, if I get any chance to implement something, I'll definitely implement those kind of thing, right? So one important thing from your side that you should really do, never quit something. Yes, if you're planning that, okay, I really don't want to go into the career, probably the step that I have actually taken is a kind of mistake. If you say like that, then you can definitely quit it. But if you say that, hey, no, I'm going to stop for some days in between and again start preparing, don't do that, okay? It is not a good idea after devoting some amount of time and then quitting, okay? And please make sure that you have that thing in your mind that yes, anything, if you work hard for that, you will be able to get it, Data science is hard. I believe data analytics is hard. Not in a couple of days you'll be able to understand that. But once you start giving some kind of consistent efforts, trust me, it will work. It will definitely become your friend. You'll understand everything that is going around you. Because of data science, I was just able to understand many things outside just data science itself. I was able to understand real world problem statement. I was able to understand how mathematical equation is related to a real world problem statement, right? I could actually visualize it. I could actually see it. I could actually relate it. And because of that, trust me, I took this specific field, right? So this is what you also need to find out. I'm not just saying with respect to data science. I'm talking irrespective of any technology that you're working in. Why you really want to go into that? Understand the interest where do you see yourself in the next upcoming 5 years, and then probably take the decision, right? One very good term, that I would definitely like to say it to you is that you really need to be see, any startups, right? When they create the product, how a startup becomes successful? Because their product finds the perfect market fit. Similarly, you are also a product, okay? And when I say you are a product, right? I basically mean that you also need to find your market fit, right? So keep on working hard, guys. And I would suggest never quit, never give up, keep on working. That is what human beings are for. As the space is going to become more competitive, become smarter in a way that how you can utilize AI in your fundamental problem statement, and definitely do amazing things in your life. So yes, this was it from my side. I'll see you all in the next video. Have a great day. Thank you and all. Take care. Bye-bye.